Getting a free trial with Clinic Saurus is easy. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Enter the name of your clinic or hospital. Step 2. Provide your address, email, and phone number. Step 3. Select the free package. Next, specify your preferred language and country. Include any additional requests you may have. Don't forget to check the box at the bottom that says, "Do you want a trial version?" Click Submit and you're done. It's that simple. Start your free trial today and experience the full range of benefits that Clinic Saurus has to offer. Discover how our innovative tools can streamline your operations, improve patient care, and make managing your practice easier than ever before.